All right, now we're going to get ready to trowel out the metal illusion epoxy. I like to use a pool trowel to apply it, and then we'll come back and agitate it. Remember, we get our movement through agitation. A couple of different components here. That we've got one of the few systems, actually the only system, that you can choose any color that you want. We're going to use a super stain. This is Captain Hanky. It's one of our, it's a brown product. We're going to, we'd be able to vary it from very light to very dark, depending on how much color we put in. And we're going to get the movement from the mica powder. This is Arctic White. So we use Arctic White, whatever color we want. And of course, like any epoxy, there's an A and a B component. This is a 3-gallon batch kit, so it makes it very simple. We're going to take the A, we're going to take and we're going to dump the mica powder in there. We're going to put some color in. We'll start with just one of these. I'm going to do a kind of a mid-range brown color. See what we think. Okay, and then we'll add I think I'm happy with that color. Maybe I'll go just a little bit deeper. See what 2 bottles looks like. Nice. Now, when I've got the color the way I want it, I'm going to add the B component. Once you add this, depending on temperature, humidity, you're going to want to get it out of there pretty quick. You've got probably anywhere between 15 and 25 minutes to get it out of the bucket and down there, but if you need to pay careful attention, because if it starts smoking on you, you need to get it out on the floor right away. Nice color. The reason we use a black primer is it builds a lot of depth. You'll see in certain areas I'll come in and expose some of the black like this so that you can see some of the depth underneath of it. We'll just let that set up for 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll go back out there with our spike shoes and our magic trowel, and we'll get all busy agitating that. We're going to let that dry up just for a little bit longer, and then we'll agitate it one more time and it'll be done. As it tacks up a little bit, it's going to get feeling sticky. So we're going to glide the trowel across there this time, except we're going to let it just kind of skip across there, and it'll create some choppy movement to it, and when it settles back out, it'll look really good. So we're going to see how we're doing that there. So now we just let that dry until tomorrow, and then we'll come back and sand it and put the finish coat on at that time.